Hello lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Centana. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. And in today's video I'll be showing you guys on how to easily do your eyebrows. It's beginner friendly, and without further ado, let's jump into this. I'll be using a laser and a remis to trim my eyebrows. Then I'll apply a little bit of a remis at the bottom part of my brows. I'll be using a spoolie to brush my eyebrows in upward motion. Then I'll use a razor to trim my eyebrows. Then I'll brush my brows using a spoolie in upward motion. I'll be using Davis number 3 eye pencil to line my brows. I'll use my nose as a guideline on how to draw my eyebrows. At the bridge of my nose, that's where my eyebrow should start. And using the side of my nostril, that's where my eyebrow arc should be. And the outer part of my nose, that's where my eyebrow should end. The important thing to consider when lining your eyebrows is the starting point where the arc should be and where the eyebrows should end. Make sure the tip of the eye pencil is very sharp before lining the eyebrows, and also make sure your eye pencil is pointing on the brows while lining your eyebrows. I'm done lining the left bottom part of my eyebrows, then I'll go to the light bottom part. For the upper part of my eyebrows, I leave a little bit of space so that my eyebrows can give me that natural look. I will line my eyebrows towards the arc of my brows, and when I get to the arc, I'll change the direction of my pencil to downward motion so that I can connect the two lines together. I'm done lining my brows, and now it's time to rub the guideline marks. I'll use the same pencil when it comes to filling in, and I'll fill in my eyebrows gently from the outer corner of my eyebrows going all the way to my inner corner. I'll use the same eye pencil to draw hair-like strokes at the inner corner of my eyebrows. Doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we like. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. I'll go in with a spoolie brush to brush my brows in upward motion for everything to blend in. Now guys, it's time to clean my brows. I'll be using L.A Pro concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'll be using a flat brush to clean my eyebrows, and also I'll apply a little amount of concealer.
tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go,
Always be gentle when cleaning the eyebrows.
forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
I'll go in with a damn beauty blender to blend everything in to avoid harsh lines.
I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights.
I'll also use the same concealer to clean up the upper part of my eyebrows. And guys, you can also use your foundation to clean up your upper part of the eyebrows. Again, I'll use my damn beauty blender to blend everything in. Wow, I'm done drawing my brows and this is the final look, guys. Let me do my makeup. I'll be right back. I hope you love this, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment, hit the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new video. Bye bye.